Speaking of challenges, what do you think are the key issues that the industry is facing today?
Industry is experiencing many challenges, but from a healthier product standpoint, cost and taste are key challenges.
Let's take a closer look at these challenges. So, how can the industry effectively respond to them?
When it comes to cost, the first thing that the industry needs to do is to accept the fact that a healthier, efficacious food or beverage is never going to cost the same like its traditional counterpart. It is going to cost more as each value-added component, whether it is a food, a nutrient, a functional ingredient, or an ingredient needed to optimize taste, does add cost to the product. And once they have established that high cost, the next thing the industry needs to do is to price up. And from a price up perspective, they need to price up for profitability to sustain the business in the market over the long term. And for this, the product should be positioned at the high end of affordability for middle class consumers, as a sizable consumer base exists in Southeast Asia. In Indonesia, for example, 17% of the population and close to 48 million people belong to this consumer base. And in Vietnam, 13% of the population or 13 million people belong to this consumer base. And as the sales grow and economies of scale kick in, the price can then be adjusted and the consumer base can be expanded.
What about taste then?
Here again, the food brands need to recognize that healthier products with lower levels of fat, sugar, and sodium will never taste exactly like their traditional counterparts, even with optimization. And in view of this, when they taste test the product with consumers, they should emphasize nutrient changes in the product and should also highlight the health benefits of the product. With this information, the consumer can then make an informed choice about making a taste trade-off versus the health benefits that the product provides.